Welcome to our channel, and subscribe. Morning alarm circuit using LDR. The morning alarm circuit using LDR is a simple, yet creative electronics project designed to trigger a buzzer automatically when daylight appears, essentially working like a light-sensitive alarm clock. How to make morning alarm circuit using LDR. List of component. 1 breadboard 1 2 small buzzer 1 3 transistor BC5471 4 resistor 330 ohm 2 5 resistor 10K 1 6 LDR 1 7 jumper wire 2 8 battery connector 1 9 battery 9-volt 1. How to use breadboard. Middle gap divided breadboard into two side, upper side and lower side. Upper side there are two horizontals point line. 25 points in horizontal line connected to each other. Same second horizontal 25 points connected to each other. Upper side there are 30 verticals points line. Five points in vertical line connected to each other. Lower side of breadboard lines same connection, same as upper side of breadboard lines. 2 horizontals points line and 30 verticals points line. Now you understand the breadboard pins connection and configuration. Build your circuit on breadboard. Important notes for safe and successful making and testing. Always handle it with care and follow safety precautions to avoid burns or accidents. Power supply tip. If your circuit does not work and you're using an old battery, replace it with a new battery for reliable power. Component placement. Ensure that all components are properly and firmly inserted into the correct breadboard holes. Loose connections may cause the circuit to fail. Step-by-step instruction. Watch carefully. Select transistor BC547. Hold flat part of transistor on your side then. Shift middle terminal back side as shown in image. First terminal is collector. Second terminal is base. And third terminal is emitter. Insert the transistor pins into the breadboard. Collector terminal insert into vertical line number 15 on the lower side. Base terminal insert into vertical line number 16 on the upper side. Emitter terminal insert into vertical line number 17 on the lower side. Select first jumper wire. Then jumper wire in U-shape as shown in video. Insert one end of the jumper wire into the lower vertical line of the breadboard at line number 17 or any hole in the same vertical line as shown in video. Insert the other end of the jumper wire into a hole in the lower horizontal power rail near the blue line, which represents the negative rail or ground. Select second jumper wire. Then jumper wire in U-shape as shown in video. Insert one end of the jumper wire into the lower vertical line of the breadboard at line number 15 or any hole in the same vertical line as shown in video. Insert other end of the jumper wire into the upper vertical line of the breadboard at line number 10, or any hole in the same vertical line as shown in video. Small buzzer. Buzzer has two terminals. Long terminal is positive, and short terminal is negative, as shown in video. Insert the long terminal of buzzer into the upper horizontal round near the red line, positive rail, or the same position, as shown in video. Insert the short terminal of buzzer into the upper vertical line number 10, or same vertical line, as shown in video. Select 330 ohm resistor. 330 ohm resistor color code is orange, brown and silver or gold. Bend resistor in U-shape as shown in video. Insert one end of resistor in upper side of breadboard vertical point line number 16, or same vertical line as shown in video. Insert second end of resistor in upper side of breadboard vertical point line number 21, or same vertical line as shown in video. Select resistor 10K ohm. 10K ohm resistor color code is brown, black, orange and fourth color is silver or gold. Bend resistor in U-shape, as shown in video. Insert one end of resistor in upper side of breadboard vertical point line number 21, or same vertical line as shown in video. Insert the other end of the resistor into a hole in the lower horizontal power rail near the blue line, which represents the negative rail or ground. Select LDR sensor. An LDR light-dependent resistor is an electronic sensor that detects light. More light low resistance, less light high resistance. Insert one terminal of LDR into the upper horizontal round near the red line positive rail, or the same position as shown in video. Insert second terminal of LDR in upper side of breadboard vertical point line number 21, or same vertical line as shown in video. Select connector. Connector red wire is positive, and black wire is negative. Red wire insert in upper side of breadboard horizontal point line. Indicate near red color line as shown in video. Black wire insert in lower side of breadboard horizontal point line. Indicate near blue color line as shown in video. Select battery. Battery connect to connector as shown in video. Your morning alarm circuit using LDR is ready. Let's test the result. The buzzer starts ringing, indicating morning or light detection. Conclusion: the morning alarm circuit using an LDR is a smart, low-cost solution to create a light-activated alert system. How to construct the morning alarm circuit with LDR. Construction of morning alarm circuit with LDR. Connect the collector terminal of the BC547 transistor to the negative terminal of the buzzer using a jumper wire. Connect the base middle pin of the transistor to one end of a 330 ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the 330 ohm resistor to one terminal of LDR light dependent resistor and one end of a 10k ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the 10k ohm resistor to the negative ground terminal of the battery. Connect the emitter terminal of the transistor to the negative ground terminal of the battery. Connect the positive long terminal of the buzzer to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect second terminal of LDR to the positive terminal of the battery. How do morning alarm circuit with LDR work? Working of morning alarm circuit with LDR. The morning alarm using an LDR works by detecting sunlight. The LDR changes its resistance based on the amount of light falling on it. High resistance in the dark and low resistance in light. As morning light increases, the resistance of the LDR drops, causing a small voltage to activate a transistor. This transistor acts like a switch and allows current to flow to the buzzer. When this happens, the buzzer turns on and sounds the alarm, waking you up with natural light instead of a clock. Component information and details. Breadboard. A breadboard is a plastic board with holes that allows you to plug in and connect electronic components to create an electronic circuit. Small buzzer. A buzzer is an electronic device that makes a buzzing or beeping sound. It's used to alert or notify people and is often found in household appliances, computers, and other electronic devices. Transistor BC547. BC547 is a bipolar junction transistor BJT. It is kind of an NPN transistor. It has three terminals: emitter, collector and base. A transistor is a semiconductor device that amplifies and switches electrical signals. Resistor 330 ohm. 330 ohm resistor color code is orange, brown and silver or gold. Select resistor 10k ohm. 10k ohm resistor color code is brown, black, orange and fourth color is silver or gold. Select LDR sensor. An LDR light-dependent resistor is an electronic sensor that detects light. More light low resistance, less light high resistance. Jumper wire. Jumper wires are simply wires that have connector pins at each end, allowing them to be used to connect to points to each other without soldering. Jumper wires are typically used with breadboards and other prototyping tools in order to make it easy to change a circuit as needed. Battery connector. A battery connector is a device that connects a battery to other devices. Battery. An electric battery is a device that stores chemical energy and converts it to electrical energy. Book of Technical deliver good and productive video. Subscribe and learn from video. All video available in Hindi, Marathi, English. Book and ebook available on online platform. You can go and search, build and learn electronic circuit on a breadboard. Subscribe and get new video. Thank you and visit to Book of Technical channel again.